Alright, here we are at Geist Reservoir in Indianapolis, Indiana. And we have just completed an Azek deck, 13-foot 4 by 60 feet. It's on the lake, clear down this hill. As you can see, it has a fire pit in the middle. We started putting chairs on. This is mahogany Azek decking. Approximately 2,000 linear feet of it, to be precise. It goes way over there. That was to fill in a gap that he had between his retaining wall and seawall that he had for 30 years. And he don't have a gap there no more. It's, as you can see, in 3 sections. Each section being 20 feet long by 13 foot 4 inches. Nice, good sized deck. Out here on beautiful Geist Reservoir. Isn't that sweet? Adios.